Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Gmail attachment failed error. If you've been struggling to upload or download attachments in Gmail, this simple fix should get things working smoothly again. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Gmail account by entering your email address and clicking Next, then type in your password and click Next again. This gets you back into your inbox where we can start troubleshooting the attachment issue. Now here's where we address the root cause. Most attachment errors in Gmail stem from corrupted cache data or cookies that are interfering with the upload process. To fix this, we need to clear your browser's data. In Chrome, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen and click on them. From the drop-down menu, find and select Delete Browsing Data, which should have a trash bin icon next to it. A new window will pop up with several options. Click on Clear Browsing Data at the top, then select a time range from the drop-down. I recommend choosing all time to ensure we're clearing everything that might be causing problems. Next, make sure you check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These two are the culprits behind most attachment errors. Once you've selected both, click the Clear Data button. After the data is cleared, close all your browser tabs completely and then reopen your browser. This restart ensures all the old cached information is fully removed and your browser starts fresh. Once it's back up, head over to mail.google.com again and sign in if prompted. Now it's time to test if the fix worked. Compose a new email or open the existing email thread where you were having trouble, then try attaching or downloading the file again. In most cases, clearing your browser data resolves the attachment issue immediately. If you're still experiencing problems after following these steps, you might want to try additional fixes like disabling browser extensions or testing Gmail in incognito mode to rule out any conflicting add-ons. Thanks for watching.